How to make a skull tree for your model. You take a wire and cut it 5 times to 20 cm each. Then the 5 wires are taken and are folded in half. Later, the wires are squared in this way. Then the bottom part is cut to simulate the roots of the tree. Then you take the wires from above and open them your liking. Next, you take 2 wires and twist them until there is no more. At the tips, you don't now need to be together, so that later you can hold the foliage. Then the structure is filled with a liquid rubber to give it more volume. We hope that the liquid rubber will be well. Then the entire structure is painted in the different colors brown. After the paint dries, the structure is sprayed with the liquid gum on the top to glue the foliage. Repeat this step until the skull tree looks leafy. And finally, the the structure is placed in the model. Thank you for watching this video.